Oops. Little one. Oops. She's gonna be driving down the stairs on a pillow. You gotta pick up the front. You gotta pick up the front. Okay, stop. Okay, I'll show you what you gotta do. You gotta sit up and hold up the front like this. Start at the very top and hold up the front of the pillow so it can go over it instead of keep crashing into it. Hold it up a little bit. Try. Want me to go to the top and I'll give you a little push down?
I don't think you should push me. I think you're gonna get
Hold up the front. Okay, now go. Now try to hold it up a little bit.
It's not gonna go.
Oh god, you hurt.
I
Okay,
want to try it like this first.
that was a fail. We're gonna just keep trying it.
Okay, we're gonna be starting this bad way.
Spin it up a bit.
Just for the heck of starting it. Actually, this is gonna be hard. I don't give a crap. Can you hold this?
I can try.
It's gonna make a notification keep coming up, but you can just click it on it. Okay, you sure you want to stand that close?
Okay.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure that was like really bad for its motor, guys.
No, I can handle it.
That was fun. Did you hear the engine?
You guys want us to do more stuff like that? Just leave a like.
Yeah, more stuff to this piece of crap. This is not even ammo, this is a grind process.
But
So,
we're gonna be back now.
that was kind of fun.
Let's see if it sucks up again, bro.
It will. Here.
It will. What? It starts with the first pull and